Welcome to Polish for Kids. Learn Polish words and have fun. Let's go. How do you say squirrel in Polish? The correct answer is
Wiewiórka.
which Polish word means squirrel? The correct answer is
Wiewiórka.
how do you say bear in Polish? The correct answer is
Niedźwiedź.
how do you say sheep in Polish? The correct answer is
Owca.
Animals batch 0 for what is the Polish word for camel? The correct answer is
Wielbłąd.
what is the Polish word for zebra? The correct answer is
Zebra.
how do you say raccoon in Polish? The correct answer is
Szopfrać.
how do you say donkey in Polish? The correct answer is
Osioł.
how do you say cow in Polish? The correct answer is
Krowa.
how do you say panda in Polish? The correct answer is
Panda.
how do you say koala in Polish? The correct answer is
Koala.
which Polish word means mouse? The correct answer is
Mysz.
which Polish word means flamingo? The correct answer is
Flaming.
what is the Polish word for owl? The correct answer is
Sowa.
what is the Polish word for shark? The correct answer is
Rekin.
which Polish word means kangaroo? The correct answer is
Kangur.
what is the Polish word for parrot? The correct answer is
Papuga.
which Polish word means fox? The correct answer is
Wis.
how do you say swan in Polish? The correct answer is
Łabędź.
how do you say otter in Polish? The correct answer is
Wydra.
which Polish word means hippo? The correct answer is
Hipopotam.
what is the Polish word for lion? The correct answer is
Lew.
How do you say rabbit in Polish? The correct answer is
królik,
what is the Polish word for goose? The correct answer is
gęś,
which animal carries its baby in a pouch? The correct answer is
kangur,
which animal is famous for its long neck? The correct answer is
żyrafa,
which bird is famous for its colorful feathers? The correct answer is
paw,
which animal has a hump on its back? The correct answer is
wielbłąd,
you're visiting Australia and see a koala. Which Polish word is correct? The correct answer is which Polish word is correct? Tag, animals difficulty, hard photo _ search, Australian animals A, koala. You're feeding birds at a lake. Which Polish word means swan? The correct answer is
łabędź.
how many did you get right? Like and subscribe for more Polish quizzes.